Well, the consumer is very, very hot. And on most retailers are doing well. The rising tide floats all ships. The only ones who don't are those who are trying to sell readily identifiable, common products that are available everywhere in a poor environment. And so you do see that with some department stores, for example. And I don't mean don't be too harsh about it, but I think Sears and Penny's, they're one misstep away from extinction. You know, there are some retailers doing poorly, but it was interesting, the 6.5% same-store sales that Target reported was very much in line with the consumer sales numbers that we saw released just a few weeks ago for July, which were a 6.4% increase in retail sales. So the economy is very robust and growing very rapidly, particularly consumer sentiment. There's a few sectors of retail that aren't keeping up.
How does Target look against the competition? Becky brought up Walmart and Amazon in particular.
Well, each one goes
market share.
Each one goes to market very differently. Look, Walmart is the king. I mean, they dwarf everyone in total sales. On the internet, Amazon's the king. Target is far, far smaller than either one of them and has always been. But Target is very effective in following its own strategy. So Walmart follows a value-based, low-cost strategy. Target has always followed a differentiated, slightly more upscale strategy and does very, very well at that. But if you take a look at relative scale, I mean, Target is just a lot smarter animal. One thing that's also true that you're starting to see happen here, it used to always be true back, remember Brian said that it's been 13 years since numbers were this good. Well, during the period 13 years ago and before, they were good a lot. And during that period, what you saw is that during good economic times, Target outperforms Walmart. Why? Because people splurge a little bit more, and Target's a little bit more upscale. Bad economic times, Walmart does a little better, even though it's at a lower level overall for everyone, because people are saving more.